Tape www.suividécole-au-Sénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Hi everybody, Mr. Diop is back, and today we're going to talk about the weather. The weather. D'accord? The weather, c'est quoi? C'est le climat. C'est quoi? C'est le temps qu'il fait. D'accord? Alors, vous êtes chez vous, you're at home, you're indoors. Vous êtes dans la maison, indoors. And outdoors, c'est l'extérieur. So, you want to know what the weather is like outside. Avant de sortir, il faut savoir s'il pleut, ou s'il neige, ou s'il fait chaud, ou s'il fait froid, ou s'il y a du soleil, ou pas. D'accord? En fonction de ça, on sait quoi mettre, what to wear, ok? On sait s'il faut prendre un pull vert ou un parapluie, you have to take a jumper, you know whether to take a jumper with you when you're going out, or whether to take an umbrella, okay, whether to take a coat, un manteau, or whether to take a sun hat, okay, not a baseball cap, a sun hat, okay. So, avant de sortir donc, before you go out, you want to find out. Tu veux savoir, ok, le temps qu'il fait. Quelle est la question que nous posons pour savoir le temps qu'il fait? La question est, what's the weather like? Quel temps fait-il? Again, what's the weather like? On répète. One more time. What's the weather like? One more time. What's the weather like today? Oh, today. Alors, la question, what's the weather? C'est le climat like. Like veut dire à quoi ça ressemble. C'est pas le verbe like, aimer, hein. Ça, c'est à quoi? Parce que I'm like you, you're not like me, I'm not like you. Je ne suis pas comme toi, tu n'es pas comme moi. To be like somebody, c'est être comme quelqu'un. Donc, comment est le temps? À quoi ressemble le climat? What's the weather like? On reprend ça. What's the weather like outside? On peut même rajouter outside dehors. Or today, aujourd'hui. Quel temps fait-il? Oh, alors on peut répondre. It's raining, quand il pleut. It's snowy, il neige. It's windy, c'est-à-dire qu'il y a du vent. Ok? It's cloudy, il y a des nuages, le ciel est nuageux. And the wind is blowing. D'accord? It's cloudy, il y a des nuages. It's sunny, il y a du soleil. It's sunny. D'accord? Alors, on reprend ça. It's raining, quand il pleut, it's raining, ça veut dire que c'est mouillé dehors. Donc, on peut en déduire que les trottoirs, la route est mouillée. It's raining today, it's wet. Pour ne pas dire it's raining, on peut dire tout simplement it's wet. Ça veut dire que c'est mouillé dehors, d'accord? Donc, what's the weather like today? It's raining, it's wet. What's the weather like today? It's snowing. The weather is snowy. The snow, il y a de la neige, ok? What's the weather like? It's windy. Il y a du vent. When it's windy, the wind is blowing. The wind, c'est le vent. It's windy, il fait du vent. Ou bien on peut dire il vente. Je pense que ça se dit en français. Il vente. Ok? On dit il fait du vent ou il vente. Ok? And the wind is blowing. Le vent souffle. The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing. It's windy. Okay, it's windy outside today. The wind is blowing. Donc, prends une écharpe, take a scarf, peut-être prends un masque parce que peut-être qu'il y a de la poussière. It might be dusty. Okay, it's cloudy. Le ciel est nuageux. It's as if it's going to rain. It's cloudy. Ça veut dire que le ciel s'assombrit, le ciel est nuageux. Les clouds sont les nuages. Ok, donc we got here the sun, the clouds, les nuages, d'accord? You got the moon, la lune. You got the stars, les étoiles. You got the sky, le ciel, and you got the clouds, okay? Now, the weather is very important to know what the weather is like, especially for fishermen. Fishermen, before they go to sea, they have to listen to the weather forecast. The weather forecast, c'est tout simplement la météo. La météo, ils envoient des ballons de sonde, ok, et ils peuvent anticiper et savoir le temps qu'il fera au cours des prochaines 48 ou 72 heures. Okay, they got balloons and they got devices that they can predict. They can predict what the weather will be like in the next 48 or 72 hours, in the next few days. Okay, donc it's important to listen to the forecast, the weather forecast. D'accord? The weather forecast, c'est tout simplement la météo. Fishermen, avant d'aller en mer, les pêcheurs, très important d'écouter le temps qu'il fera. Parce que des fois, la mer est houleuse, il y a de la houle, and it's dangerous. C'est risqué. It's very risky to go out to sea. D'accord? On demande donc aux fishermen, aux pêcheurs, de rester, de ne pas aller en mer. Parce que là, c'est très dangereux d'y aller. Il y a des jours où la mer est agitée. Okay? So when the sea is rough, it's better not to go. It's better to wait until things calm down and then you can go out fishing. Okay? Good. Now, on reprend. What's the weather like? It's raining. Sorry, it's raining. Okay? What's the weather like? It's raining. ING. Il pleut. It's raining. What's the weather like? It's snowing. Snow, c'est la neige. What's the weather like? It's snowing. Ok, on met toujours it's. Sorry. It's snowing. It's raining. Again, what's the weather like? It's raining. It's wet. What's the weather like? It's snowing. The snow is falling. Can you see the snowflakes? Les flocons de neige. You can see the snowflakes. Okay? Next, it's windy. Wind, c'est le vent. It's windy. The wind is blowing. Le vent souffle. The wind is blowing. Okay? Here. Le ciel est nuageux. What's the weather like? It's cloudy. When it's cloudy, c'est un signe qui veut dire que la pluie s'annonce. It's going to rain. It's as if. C'est comme si il allait pleuvoir. Because sometimes the sky gets cloudy, but it doesn't rain. Sometimes the sun shines very bright and the rain begins to fall. So it can be sunny and rainy at the same time. Not all the time though. Okay. Next, you got it's sunny. Oh, it's sunny. Il fait beau. Okay. When it's sunny, on peut dire the sun is shining. Le soleil brille. The sun is shining. The weather is sweet. It makes you want to move onto your dancing feet. Okay? So, we go back again. On repose la question. What's the weather like? It's raining today. Okay? So, when it rains, meaning it's wet, okay? It's wet. it's snowing. Okay, the snow is falling. Snowflakes. Vous connaissez les cornflakes? Les cornflakes, c'est les flocons de maïs. Eh bien, les flakes, ce sont les flocons de neige. Okay? Okay? What's the weather like? It's snowing today. It's cold. When it's snowing, it's cold. Il fait froid. Okay? When it's sunny, it's hot. Il fait chaud. Okay? So, it's snowing, it's raining, it's wet, it's snowing, the snow is falling, you got snowflakes, okay? And it's cold. When it's windy, the wind is blowing, le vent souffle. And then it's cloudy. Le ciel est nuageux. Ooh, it's as if it's going to rain. C'est comme si il allait pleuvoir, ok? It's cloudy. Rain is coming, maybe. Ok, on dit ça annonce la pluie. And then, what's the weather like? It's sunny. The sun is shining. Le soleil tape, le soleil brille. Il fait chaud. I'm hot. J'ai froid. J'ai chaud, sorry. I'm hot. I'm cold. It's cold. J'ai froid. Okay? You can be hot or you can be cold. Sometimes, quand le soleil, when the sun is not that hot, il fait doux. Il y a des soleils qui sont assez doux. D'accord? On dit it's warm. It's warm. Il fait doux. Il fait ni chaud, ni trop chaud, ni froid. Donc, il fait doux. Okay, it's warm today. The sun is shining. The weather is sweet. The weather is lovely. Okay? Le climat est agréable. Hein? Okay? So, on reprend la question. Quel temps fait-il? What's the weather like today? On peut même rajouter today. Okay? What's the weather like today? Aujourd'hui, quel temps fait-il? Oh, today it's raining, it's wet. What's the weather like? It's snowing, it's cold. Oh my goodness. What's the weather like? It's windy, the wind is blowing. Okay? What's the weather like? Oh, it's cloudy. You better take your umbrella. When it's cloudy, you take your umbrella. En français, une ombrelle. An umbrella, c'est mon... What is an umbrella? Okay. An umbrella, un parapluie. When it's, okay, vous sortez de chez vous, you're about to go out, you ask your mom, Mom, what's the weather like today? It's cloudy today, you better take your umbrella and your raincoat. Hein? Ton impair, my raincoat. Rain étant la pluie, a coat c'est un manteau, c'est un impair. D'accord? Il y a aussi des petites bottes en plastique que les enfants portent. On appelle les Wellingtons. Hein? My wellies. Hein? Les wellies. Take your wellies. Ce sont des petites bottes en plastique que the children wear, des wellies. Especially when it snows, quand il neige, or when it's raining, when it rains, avant de sortir, ils mettent leur raincoat, hein, ils mettent aussi ce qu'on appelle les Wellingtons, mais les petits disent the wellies, ok? Mais wellies, ce sont des petites bottes en plastique que nous mettons pour éviter de se mouiller les pieds. Make sure your feet don't get wet, ok? So, this was about the weather, okay? What's the weather like? Une dernière chose, the weather forecast. La météo, the weather forecast. Listen to the forecast, the weather forecast every day. Every day before you go out, you make sure you listen to the weather forecast so as to know what to wear. Are you going to wear a jacket or just a t-shirt or just a shirt or a raincoat, a cap, a hat, sunglasses or reading glasses? depending on the weather. Okay? Thank you. Until next time.
Tape www.suividécole au Sénégal.com